Alrighty, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a waterfall braid on the bangs. This is my friend and roommate, Summer Wilson. She's going to be helping me out today. So the first step to this hair look is that you want to create a part on the far side of your head. So usually what I do is just line up the part with the edge of the eyebrow and just flip that hair over. I am going to spray Herbal Essence spray gel in her hair just to get it sticky and dirty so that it's more easy to mess with. So once I do that, you want to take a section of hair towards the back of the bangs, maybe about an inch wide and then pretty thick, and you're just going to want to take this section and do a normal braid all the way down. Okay, I'm going to stop right here and then take an elastic, a little elasticy, and tie off the end of the braid. So now that you have got your braid all the way finished and tied off, as you can see these little bumps here, this is what we're going to use to pull the hair through. Put the hair through, not pull the hair through. So you're going to want to kind of scrunch it so it kind of is loose, and then you're going to want to take this first bump, lift it up, and put your fingers to it. You're going to want to take a section of hair and put it through that hole that you created with that first bump. And then you're going to just do that all the way, not all the way down, but through the other bumps. Put your fingers through the bump, the next bump, take a section of hair and just pull that through. And just, I'm probably going to do about 4 or 5 of these. So the next bumps, fingers through, section of hair, pull it through. And what I'm doing is just kind of pulling and tightening that so the hair stays tight through there. Probably going to do 2 more. Get the hole, fingers through, section of hair, pull it through. Okay, I'm going to do 1 more. Pull through. All right. Alrighty, so that is how you pull the hair through. Now what we're going to do is tuck the tuck the braid up under the back of the hair. So you're just going to want to take probably like the top half of your hair towards the side of your head. Just kind of get it out of the way. Take the braid, place it under that hair that you just moved, and pin it in with bobby pins. And then you're going to want to take that hair and just put it back over that bobby pin so that you can't see it. Alright, so since these are so loose and just hanging up here, hanging out, we don't want them to fall awkwardly over the head. So what we're going to do is we're going to tease them so that they stay in place. So I'm just going to grab section of hair that includes the hair that you pull through here. for the waterfall effect. And I'm just going to spray the roots with Aussie Volume spray. Spray the roots. And then I'm going to take a teasing brush. You can use any comb that you want, whatever comb works best for you. You're just going to kind of start towards the middle top of that section and just very lightly and gently pull that hair down so you don't break the hair. And that's going to create your volume and your tease, and that's going to help those strands that we pull through stay up on top of your head and not fall down. Plus it also just gives some nice volume to your hair. Okay, so I'm just going to spray that in to finish it. And that's all you do. Okay, so we are done with the hair look, and this is what the final results look like. This is your waterfall braid part of it. And then you can always just pull this forward if you want some more volume up front, or whatever you want to do. You can kind of play around with it. But that is the look. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed and learned a new hairstyle. Thanks for watching. Fall on your braid. That is the water. This is the waterfall look on your bangs.
Yeah? Okay. We're recording, it's okay. You're fine. You're a model. That is quite a setup though, I have to say. Right? Are we creative? Yeah. Okay, when you guys did your PowerPoint to MIS, did you guys actually present them, like, to the class? No, she just looked at them. So did you just, like, make it simple? Like, did you just put, like, 3 words on a slide, or did you, like, make it long? Like, tell a story. Tell a story. I never took it here, so I didn't have to do that. I took mine at the Juco. Like, when you made it, like, how did you make your slides? Were they short, like the wording short, or was it long? Oh yeah, super short, like 1 sentence. Like, that's all we had to do was, like, write 1 sentence. Okay, I'll have you look at mine when you guys are done with your... Okay, we should be done in about 10-15 minutes. That's okay, how much I screw up. She's doing great. What are you doing? I'm doing a waterfall. Braid on her bangs. We've recorded it already, but it was super stupid and awkward, so... And the background was terrible, so we're doing... You should see her makeup page. It's not, I dropped the camera twice. It's like... And I was like, oops, lost you guys. It's just that this completely serious straight face. Oops, lost you. I was like, okay. Are you gonna, like, start making YouTube videos? Yeah, well, not YouTube. I want to put it on Facebook, my Facebook page. Oh, okay, gotcha. Well, have fun. Alright. Now my phone's gonna start going off. Alright, we're just gonna totally delete this out of there. But anyway, so we tied off the ends, right? Yeah. Okay.